consider
Right.
of your work that these things need to be taken care of, etc. All the
All right.
things.
All right. That'll be
Okay.
grateful. Yeah.
Okay. So I will share my screen and start with the module that you need to work on.
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, as you know, this module is having too much functionality, so it will
Okay.
take a time in a KT. So are
No
you
worries.
okay with that?
Yeah. Probably we can do like a phased KT or something like that. That will be helpful because to save your time as well as my time, right?
As soon as possible, I am doing with the screen sharing,
Yeah.
so you can able to understand that what exactly and having the what meaning and what value comes under it. So
Yeah.
it will
Yeah.
help you in the new design as
Yeah.
well.
Yeah. Yeah.
And
Yeah.
if you have any doubt in a Figma, then please let me know so I can
Sure.
open the Figma and also explain you that which field is exists for which one.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure. Sure. Sure.
Okay. So let me share my screen. Okay. Is my screen is visible to you?
It's loading, Jay. Yeah. Now I can see.
Okay. Did you start the recording of this meeting because it
Uh,
is helpful to you?
yeah. Let me try doing it. I don't have access directly in Gmeet, but I can do it outside as well.
Okay. So just let me know when you are ready.
Yeah. Just give me a second. Yeah. We should be good to go, Jay.
Okay. So this is the module that you need to work on. This is called change order. So here is the this page remains same in a new design as well because we already prepared in our old UI.
Mm-hmm.
So this going to be same as in our new design, the widgets, the fields, the API, and the other functionality.
Okay.
Here the search. So you if you write anything here, it will reflect to the below table and get the data according to it. So if I am finding anything that this one,
Right.
so if I press the enter,
Got
then
it.
it give me the result according to it. Okay.
Okay. So basically the first three blocks are more like an overview, and the actual listing is done in the below, right? Something like that.
Yes, the
Okay.
actually search is affect for this table only,
Okay. Okay.
and search is not affecting to these three widgets.
Right.
These three
Right.
widget is standalone that
Got it.
never have any relation with the search or this filter.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Okay, so here, uh, if you click on the search, it will give you the result of the data according your search string.
Got it.
Okay, so search is clear, I think.
Yeah.
Now the second one is the Figma filter.
Filter.
So filter having the four field: date
Mm-hmm.
range, projects, status, and the record status. Record status is archive active. Archive active, that means soft delete. Is delete 1 or is delete 0.
Got it.
It will not delete the record from the database, but it will soft delete. So user cannot able to see this in an active list
Got it. Got it. Got
if
it.
it is archived.
Okay.
So this having the three static option. Status list you get from the database because
Okay.
we have the customized status and we have the predefined status. And
Right.
if any user want to rename the predefined status, then they can, and this will create a new entry in a database, and the predefined entry get modified to the new one that user updated.
Got it. Got it. Got
So
it.
you need to prepare this list from the database
Okay.
response, and this is the multi-select. So
Right.
if you want to see the data of three status, then you can and click on apply.
Right.
This filter also saved in database as well. So if you comes next time, then
Mm-hmm.
the filter you able to see is same as you last set.
Okay. Okay. This is for a user, or is it like every user gets their own saved filter, right?
This is for the user. The
Okay.
API is ready. You just need to pass over data on that. And
Okay.
if whenever you come to this page,
Mm-hmm.
you have to get the data
Right.
regarding the filter on the API that gets saved, filter
Right.
from the database, etc.
Got it. So first I need to get the filters and then do the application, do the table plotting after that, right?
Right now, see in a older directory,
Mm-hmm.
the same concept that you mentioned, but I feel that we can make this process better. So that's why what I am do that
Mm-hmm.
whenever you call the list list API.
Right.
uh, First, before we have a dependency, that first we need to call the
Right.
filter API, and then we receive the filter, and we pass this filter on the list API. But
Right.
we can make this process better, and I made some API changes
Mm-hmm.
that the filter is already saved in the database. Then why we call the dependency for the listing API? So
Right.
we do one thing,
Mm-hmm.
that in listing API, first we get the filter from the database,
Right.
and then after, according to the filter, we get the data and throw out to the table. That's why the dependency of this filter,
Is
it's
removed.
totally removed.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
So from now onward, the filter is just only for the display purpose
Okay.
from the database and save. But if,
Initial setup, right?
yeah, initial
Seeding.
setup. But
Yeah.
then after, if you apply, then it is saved on database. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And then after, just you need to call this API, because we already fetch the latest filter from the
Mm-hmm.
database, and according to it we throw the data.
Okay. Okay.
So
Okay.
always you need to, after you select any filter, then after you just need to call the
List
listing
API. Let's
API,
just reload it, sort of a thing.
reload it,
Yeah.
because
Got it.
we already manage the filter in one API,
Right.
because
Right.
we need to reduce the dependency of this API. That's why we do these things. And if API person is not made this change, then I will told him and explain him, and
Sure. Sure.
I will make this change from them.
Sure. Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I think the filter is clear to you,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
There is a one thing, that clicking on that, right now in a old UI this open this project pop-up, but in the new UI you
Mm-hmm.
able to see the pop-up from the sidebar. Let me
Okay.
just give you the example. Mm, right now I'm giving you KT based on the old UI, but you
Got
need
it.
to
Yeah.
completely compare it with the new UI. And if you have any doubts in it, then you
Yes.
can list out the points, and we will meet again and discuss
Sure
your
thing.
doubts and clear all the points.
Sure thing. Sure thing. So I can do a one-on-one check, and then I can do the correspondence in Figma. Jay, that
Sure,
wouldn't be an
no,
issue.
sure, no problem. So as I am talking about this project pop-up.
Mm-hmm.
So in a old UI, it will open like a this, but in new UI, it's open like in a sidebar. See,
Got it. Got it. Got it. Got
okay.
it.
So
Got
you
it.
need to implement this component. This component is already created, and this one
Okay.
is global. So you
Got it.
just need to load your component, pass the data, and according to it, clicking on that, it will reflect here. See, if I
All
am clicking on
right.
that, save, it will reflect here. And if I am clicking on apply, it will show the applied filter here as well. This same
So
functionality you need to do in our this new UI as well. That if you applied any filter, the
okay.
limited filter you able to see in a header. And
Right.
if you need to modify this, then you can it from the here, as well as if you want to remove it, then just clicking on that, it will remove the filter.
Got it.
And
So
if you
basic.
see, yeah,
Yeah. Basically, I need to bring the functionality of this manage builds module to that,
yeah,
right?
yes, but there is some correction here.
Mm-hmm.
If you need to follow the functionality of any module, then please you can follow the directory module as,
Okay. Okay.
because
Okay.
we have some structure changes, and this
Got
build
it.
module developed in old structure,
Got it. Got
and
it. Got it.
this build module, this directory module is developed in the new
New
structure.
structure. All right.
Okay,
All right.
so the
Okay.
functionality you referred is the same, but just the coding structure is a different.
Got it. Got it. Got it. Got
Okay,
it.
and very small things you need to take on care while
Mm-hmm.
developing that. If any filter is applied, the icon is fill,
Got it.
and you
Got
able
it.
to see the counts of filter that applied. If
Right.
you clear it, then icon is changed to
Yeah.
the fill icon is remain, and the just this line icon is visible, and also clear the count here as well.
Got it. So you're using context or any other global state for this, Jay?
I think right this is not for a global, because this is just only module specific. So I
Okay.
think we can use the Redux for it. We already implemented the Redux here
Right.
as well.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. So I hope the filter is clear for you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Apply, reset, and close. I think this C button not needed any KT, because this
This
expression
will not
is
come.
self.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So this one is now this is the card view, but
Right.
I can explain it you to the later,
Mm-hmm.
because in any module this view is right now not implemented, but the design is ready for it.
Okay.
And it is a new view that having the same functionality that have the list view, that
Okay.
edit and these three dots, etc.
Right.
Okay, so I will explain you at the end of the
Katie, yeah.
modules
Right,
KT.
right, right, right.
Okay, now comes to the header, the last part,
Mm-hmm.
change order request. See, right now I am having the COR tab
Mm-hmm.
selected. That's why it says change
See,
order request create. If
got it.
I am clicking on the CO,
Got it.
that
Got it.
it will change to the change orders.
Got it.
So if CO tab is selected, change order. If COR tab selected, change order request. And
Got
if
it.
all, right now it is not yet. But there is
We
a
can
one
have it.
correction in a Figma that right now in a old UI we
Mm-hmm.
have just plus icon.
Okay. It's a drop down.
Just plus icon, not having any drop down. So
Okay.
we in this module we have two types of record: change order and change order
Zero
request.
risks. Yeah.
And only manage with the plus icon, that not having any drop down, not having any option. That's
Okay.
why if you clicking on all, we not measurement that clicking on plus icon user want to create which record, change order or change order request. That's why on all we hide the plus icon. And if
Got.
user selected the tab change order, that means they need to create a change order request. And if they selected the CO tab, then they need to create a change order. And that's why it managing here. But in a new UI we have the option
Mm-hmm.
that we provide one two button or a drop down here, and clicking on that it will provide the both option, that change order and change order request.
Right.
Okay, so the dependency of this tab is removed in new UI.
Got it. Got it.
Clicking on that, it will open to the create record view. But this record is in old UI.
Okay.
In new UI, this view is totally new. As let
Yes.
me explain you that clicking on that, it will open something like that in a sidebar,
Okay.
and
Like a
only
model.
required field you able to see here.
Right.
And if you clicking on save, it will take you to the preview mode of this record that you just added. And if you want to make a additional correction or additional detail need to add on the same record, you can edit from there.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Got it. Got it.
Okay,
So
so
the primary details will be saved, and then the usual preview model will open, and then they can enter the further details there.
yes, yes,
Okay.
same thing. Okay, so here the project. So as you can select the project here,
Mm-hmm.
subject, you can enter the subject,
It's a
both are
text
the
field.
field is required. The third field one is CO hash and date.
Right.
There is CO hash, there is a very interesting functionality in that.
Mm-hmm.
If you clicking on this setting, there is a three option for this field. This is the basically unique identity number for this any record that contain.
Okay.
So for that we provide three option, that starting number at,
Mm-hmm.
customized tax,
Okay.
applied manual per item, and auto custom.
Okay.
Let me explain you the functionality of this all three option.
Mm-hmm.
When you click on the start at number and whatever you define in this text box,
Mm-hmm.
so whenever you create whenever you clicking on any new change order,
Right.
uh, in the CO hash field you able to see the same number that you specified here in this box.
Okay.
If you specified 1000, then it will start with the 1000.
Right. Like a prefill.
Ye- yes, it is pre-filled
Yeah.
starting number at.
Yeah.
Okay, second one is the customized tags. So
Right.
let me just explain you. Starting number at, if I am adding one here, but you already have the change order with maximum number of 100. So
Right. Right.
that
Right.
COA is created with 101, not the one.
Right. Got it. Got it. Got it.
Did
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
got
Yeah.
the exact point? Because it will not create the, if your entered number is less than the current CO has, then it will start the number with the last maximum number plus one for the new record.
Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. So start number at is basically if you put one and your
Yeah.
DB has 99 records already, in the
Yes.
populated field it will be 100.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
Got it.
So suppose if I am giving the 5000 here and click save.
Yeah.
Okay. And then after I am closing this, it will refresh this module because the setting is already changed.
Yeah.
So for the reflection, we refresh the screen. But in new UI, I think it is not needed. See,
Okay.
the save to view is already here because it is already created a number that you define automatically in the
Right.
database via the backend.
Right. Right.
Okay.
So it will
So
automatically start like 5001, 5002,
yes,
5003, something
yes,
like that.
yes. Okay. But 5000 I just defined, but if you create a record after that, means if you create a 10 record after this setting number,
Mm-hmm.
this one is not changed, but the number is automatically incremented, that 5001, 5002,
Right,
5003.
right, right, right,
It
right.
this reflection you only see in the record, not here.
Got it, got
Here
it.
you able to see only those values that you set.
Set already. Yeah.
Okay, and this number is, if this setting is selected, then co hash is disabled, because we created we set this value from backend and not give the use, not give the ability to user to add anything, because if we allow them to change it in edit mode, then the our predefined logic is break
Got
and
it,
not
got it, got
generated
it.
the record according to it.
Got it, got it, got it.
Second one is custom text. If I clicking on custom text, then user can able to enter the number as per their choice. So this
Got it.
field is become enable.
Got it, got it, got it.
So you can add the number whatever you want, and there is one validation file from the database. If the CO is already created with one number, and if you applied the same number in a new CO, then it will give the error that
Error.
CO with this number is already exist. Please choose the another one.
Got it, got it, got
Okay.
it.
So in this case, this field is enabled. The third option is called auto custom.
Mm-hmm.
Auto custom, that means that means the last CO the last CO that I created with the number is having 100,
Mm-hmm.
and if I am try to creating it, so the next the auto number is populated with 101, but
Got
the
it.
field is not disabled.
Got it.
Because it is auto custom. If
I
I do
can
not like the 101,
I can enter
then I need,
102.
yes, you need to enter the 102.
And the next
Then
item that is created automatically will be 103.
yes, next
Got it.
item is automatically created. This field is populated automatically here.
Got it. Got it. Got it.
So these three option is considering here.
Got it.
Okay. So these are the main three fields. Later, all the fields, I think this is the requested by. In this requested by, see, we need to give the validation here. Please select a project or estimate.
Okay.
If you select any project here,
And then the corresponding contacts will
yes, the
populate.
correspondence contact is load here. See.
Okay. So we can disable it until we select the project, right? Something like that.
Yes, we can do the both thing, that
Got it.
if project is not selected, then you can disable it, or
Got it.
if
Got
you
it.
not
Got
able to disable it, then if you clicking on it, you just give the error
it. Error
that we
message.
give just right now.
Got it.
Please
Got it.
select project or estimate. So user can able to understand that this field is connected with project and estimate as well.
Right. 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 Right.
Okay. Second one is the approved by. See,
Mm-hmm.
this is also is connected with the project
Project.
and estimate field. If I am unselecting the project to this one, and if I am clicking on that, see the same
Got it.
error, you able to see the project or estimate. So this
Right.
field, this both field is depending with the project and the estimate that's selected.
Right.
Okay, this one is the invoice too. Clicking on that, it will open one customer contact pop-up with those type of tab.
Okay.
This one you get from the directory module. See, this six type,
Mm-hmm.
as you can see: employee, micro, customer, contractor, vendor, miscontact, and buy service. So you can able to see all of these contact: contractor, customer,
Okay.
employee, lead. This is
So
the directory. Directory is one type of our contact book,
these
as
are
you can
static,
see.
right, Jay?
Yes, this one
Okay.
is static. This
Okay.
contact type is a static.
Okay. So
And many of the field having, some of the having two field, some of the having two tab, some of the having all tab. This
okay.
is depend on the field.
Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it.
Okay. I think you know very well know about the inspect element, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So if you have anything doubt in it, that clicking on that, on how much tab I need to open it,
Right.
so you can just able to see here. See, if employee, see the employee tab is there. You want to
Right.
group, the my crew is there. If you want to customer, the customer tab is there. Contractor tab is there. Vendor tab is there.
So,
Miscontact tab is there. If anything I remove from here, suppose,
oh, this is how it works as well.
yes, this is work. So if I don't needed these two type of contact, vendor and miscontact, so I just removed it. And if I am clicking on it, see, the
Okay.
vendor and miscontact is removed. So this is handled dynamically, that because every click of this field, not all type of contact is appear in the pop-up. It is as per the requirement and importance of the field, that
Okay.
in customer I just need to show the customer and contractor tab, because
Mhm.
employee is our internal contacts. and this is not our customer, this is our internal contact
Right,
that works
right.
for the company.
Got it.
So every field having the importance and every field having the purpose, that which type of contact I need to show on this field.
Right.
So here I need to show the all contacts. That's why clicking on that, it will
Will
show me
open.
the employee, customer, contractor, vendor, miss contact, buy service, my crew, all the tab.
Got it. And you
And
can multiple
this
select as well.
n- it is also mentioned here as well, that see, if single, that means you need to
Okay.
you able to select only one contact, and clicking on that, the field the pop-up is also closed.
Right.
And if single is not there, that means it is multi-selected.
Okay. And you're expected to manage the same way with for classes in React also?
No,
Not necessarily, right?
no.
Oh, okay.
It is just in our old
Right,
functionality,
right, right,
but
right.
in a new one, we handle this based on the React and
Right.
the
Props.
props passing.
Got it. Got it. Got it. Got
That if you need to show any tab, then you just need to pass a props,
it.
and
Got it.
according to it, it will show the tabs. And also, and this is the access based also,
Mm-hmm.
that if you have just only just read only access to the modules,
Mm-hmm.
then add new employee you cannot able to create a
Okay.
employee, because
Okay.
in a new design, let me just show you that how this pop-up works. If I am contractor, contractor invoice to field, if having I am here, then I will show you.
And the core component library is built on top of Ant, right? And design.
Yes,
Okay.
this is the HTML component is we
And design.
using the entity, right,
Okay.
entity library. Okay. This is the address, not this one. I think it is in customer. And some of the few mistakes that made here, I just explain you as well, that because we need to avoid some of the API calls that right now unnecessary
Mm-hmm.
developer do on this. So
Mm-hmm.
we can discuss it later.
Right.
See, invoice to field, clicking on that, it will open the same pop-up. See,
Right.
this is
Right.
this is
This is
the
a
new
new design.
pop-up you want to call, that you want to implement in the new design. The
Yeah.
same functionality, customer, clicking on that, this add icon, this
Right.
will
Right.
take a
Right.
place
Right.
of plus icon in a new design.
Okay. But I can call the same component that you use, right?
Yes, yes, you
Okay.
need to call this
Same
same
thing.
component
Right.
that we
Right. Right.
used here, but you just need to manage the
Where to
tab
put the
here,
component,
tab
everything.
here, that if this field, clicking on that, the pop-up
Got
menu
it.
is
Got it.
open, and if you able to see this 7 tab, then in a new UI you need to able to display this 7 tab as well.
Right. 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 So the
And
conditions I need to manage whenever I use it.
yes, the condition you need to manage, as well as your condition. I think the access based condition is also handled, but you need to check once. And
Right.
if you found anything that you not able to get it, then just ping me. I will
Sure.
explain
Sure.
you.
Sure. Sure thing.
Okay. So you need to use this pop-up for this context app. So basically, the two major component, common component that we will use in a new UI, the project one and the customer one.
Customer one.
Both I explain you in a old design.
Right. Right. Right.
So
Right.
you can take a reference from there and use it in the new module as well.
Yeah.
Okay. So the invoice to field is clear, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Second one is the original estimate. This is also
Based on project.
connected to the project field. If project is selected, then only the estimate you able to see.
Got it.
If I am selected project, it will give me the list of estimate that created with this same project.
Right. Right.
Okay. And clicking on that, you can able to see here jump icon. If
Yeah.
I am clicking on that, and then after I click the jump icon, it
It'll
will
open up.
take me to the this modules, this record.
Right. So the same thing how for the project also, and the customer
Yes,
also.
yes, this same things project here as well. And if I am
Customer.
selecting any customer is, see, this field and this field having the internal relation.
Okay.
In project, let me explain you. This project I selected, and project having the customer field required. So if in this project any customer is selected, then it is automatically selected here, and you cannot able to change it.
Right. Right.
See, just if this project is open, I will. So if see, if I am unselecting this project.
It will automatically unselect the customer
Yes,
also.
yes, it is automatically unselect the customer as well. Right now my PC is bit hanging.
Slow. I get the point, Jay. That's fine.
Okay, see, if I am unselecting, the customer is going to unselect.
Unselect. Got it.
Okay, and if you select any project, then we have one additional icon here,
Mm-hmm.
and clicking on that, it will open the pop-up. In that, it show the detail
Details of
of
the
this
customer.
contact.
And it's a read only,
It
right?
Yes, it is read only. User cannot able to change it here, and
Okay.
this get data from the directory modules record this
Okay.
company
Okay.
title. Okay, so you can able to see you can get this in this is already developed.
Okay. So the same logic I need to put.
Yes, yes. See, if I am selecting this here, see the contact icon. Clicking on that, this pop-up
Right.
is already designed.
So the
You just
contact,
need to
I just need to use the contact icon there and then
Ye-
pass the customer ID or something like that.
yes, yes.
Got it.
This contain component is already created. You just need to use it in
Got it.
your design.
Got it.
Okay.
Got it.
So this one is clear.
Yeah, that is clear.
Okay. COS we already discussed it. Date. So this is the date field, and nothing more need to
Yeah,
describe
yeah,
here.
yeah. Those
Okay.
things are fine.
Billing status. Billing status. You can able to see this type of billing status
Yeah.
here. That on
So this is also
so
static, right?
no, this one it is static, but if you want to change it anything in that,
Ah, so
you
that
can.
comes from API then. Okay.
Yes, this come from the API. If you need to
Okay.
change the order, change the
And
color, define the color.
one more thing, Jay. So these common things, right? Like the starting number, these configuration are loaded in the beginning of the app itself, right?
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
it's not like every time we need to fetch again and again. It's
Yes,
like a global.
just only once when anyone visit the module this first time, you
Oh,
need to
okay, got it.
take this data from the API and store in a global state management.
Yeah,
And when you visit another module and leave this module at that time, if you want to clear this data from the global text, you can. And
yeah,
if you do not want to clear this data, then when someone visit next time, then you
hmm,
can load this data from the global state and not
right,
calling the API. That's why it reduce the API call.
right, 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 right,
Okay,
right.
so we have additional functionality that you can define the order,
Mm-hmm.
define the status name,
Got
and
it.
the color that you want.
Okay.
And according to it, it will show the color, the order, and the name. The reflection you able to see it
Yeah, yeah.
here, this drop down. Okay, customer, as I mentioned, customer COS. This is for the real user, that someone having the CO has unique, so you can enter anything in that. This is alphanumeric, but it have a limitation.
Mm-hmm.
This field having the length, this having the 15 number, length length of is 15.
15. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So these validations also will be a part of the Figma, like a comment or something like that?
Right now not having, but
Okay.
if you want it, then I will comment it on the feed.
Yeah, wherever it is like high priority, because these things we can change anytime. But if it is like very high priority, like that will affect the database or something like that, you can just leave a comment so that when I write itself, I can add the validation also.
Okay, sure. This one is time delay. If you select yes, then
There'll
you
be
able to see how many days. If
right.
you select no, then it will
Got it.
time delay is no, and if possible, then also how
Got it.
much days. Okay, so this is according to the dependent drop down according to the value that you select on the
Yeah.
first drop down. Okay,
Right.
and this one is the description that you can enter anything here.
Right.
Okay,
Right.
for the next category, I just take the record that I already saved. Okay,
Yeah.
we have the progress bar here, and you can able to see the same in a Figma as well,
Okay.
like
So
in a
this is the
header page.
preview, right?
Yes, this is
Okay.
the preview, but you can able to change the status from here as well. Clicking on
Got
that,
it.
it will update the status.
Okay. So this is changing the status.
Yes, this is changing the
Okay.
status from header, or if you want to changing the status from the edit mode from the drop down, so you can able to change it
Okay.
here from
Got it.
as well.
Got it. Got it. Because I was thinking that it was like checking the information of the data whenever it was in that status. It was more like a time travel, time. transition thing for me. But I get it.
Okay.
I get it. It's a change status thing.
And then one more additional things here as well, that I think you might, I don't know, you might aware or not using the Figma,
Mm-hmm.
but just let me know that clicking on the project status, what things going to happen. See, in a new Figma, you're able to see this progress bar, here
Okay.
icon, and also here the status as well.
Okay.
So if I am changing status from here,
Right.
it will change this icon color
Okay.
as
Okay.
well. So if I am changing the bidding, this icon is set here
Got it.
and
Got
status
it.
is also
Got it.
bidding here.
Yeah.
And if, see, I am clicking on that,
Mm-hmm.
so these two icon having the color, other
Right.
are
Right.
black
Right.
and white.
Right. Right. Right.
If I am changing status from here,
The
see,
same thing happens, right?
yes, if I am selecting the unscheduled, these
Got it.
two
Got it.
going to become a color, the icon is changed as we have here.
Got it.
And if I am changing right now to pending, so the icon is already changed, status is already changed, and color is also changed.
Got it.
So you need to do this same thing
Got it.
here as well,
Yeah.
in a change order.
Got it. Got it. Got
Okay,
it.
so
Got it.
this
Got
part
it.
is clear.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next one, if I'm clicking the edit, this field I already explained.
Right.
We have this block, we call this block as a item.
Okay.
And these are the way where we can apply the where we can import or add the item in the change order.
Okay.
First one is import from cost item database.
Okay.
Cost item database is one type of that, for example, some of the things you have regularly used,
Mm-hmm.
so you can create those regular things in predefined manner.
Okay.
So every time you do not need to create, you just select the already created item, choose it, and import in your record.
Right.
So this
Right.
is the
Template sort of
basically,
a thing.
yes. So this is the basically, uh, this is the general item this every contractor used.
Mm-hmm.
So they not able to add and import every time. Just selecting it here, and it will import in this list with the quantity, unit cost, unit, total, tax, cost code as well.
Right.
So this pop-up is already created, but it is in old one. So clicking on that import cost item database, it will open this same pop-up.
So I need to use
Pop-up.
the same thing again.
Yes, but this is in old structure, and in new structure, this component is in progress. I think maximum 1 day or 2 day. Within a 2 day, this will be on a beta, and you can use this
Got
component.
it. Got it. Got it. Got it.
Okay.
Because I see it is already there in beta. That's why I was asking.
Yes, yes. Yes, it is already in beta, but this is in
Change.
old structure,
Okay. Okay. They are
and
changing something.
directory is in new structure.
Got it. Got it. Got it.
Okay. So this pop-up contain this six type of different types of record: material, equipment, labor, subcontractor, other items. And when you click here any of the item, it will reflect in the site list that those item is selected.
Selected.
And if you can able to remove it, that by mistake some of the item is selected, and if you want to remove it, then you can remove it from here as well.
Right. Right.
Okay. And there is a one checkbox, show favorite. So clicking on that, it
It
will
will
show
show
the
only the start.
favorite items list. So
Got it.
see, if I am
Got it.
clicking that, it will show me the favorite list. If I am unchecking it, it will load the all list.
Got it.
Okay. And if uh, on a pop-up you think that the item is already added, but after visit you realize that the item that I expect is not here, but I need to create it.
Mm-hmm.
So second time I do not want to create it, then just clicking on that, it will
Right.
open one pop-up, and you can able to enter the detail, and clicking on save will add in this list, and you
Okay.
can
Okay.
select it here, and this, on clicking on save, it will add this item in the table.
Got it.
Okay, so the same things you need to follow here as well. For example, if I am the four item is selected, now I am going to in a equipment tab, and see, if I am I already added any item from the list, the
Mm-hmm.
tick is here.
Got it.
That is
Got it.
indicated that
Indicated
this
that it's already
item is already
selected.
added you in your list, and added item list is already able to here as well.
Got it. So the same list is shown outside also, right? Outside the one, the
Yes,
in the top.
yes, yes, yes.
Got it. Got it.
And here for the some of the restriction we not allow to deselect the item here, but
But in the new UA
in a
you're doing.
new, yes, in the new UI, if you deselecting any item from here and clicking on save, it will remove in this list as well. See,
Got it. Got it.
it
Got
will
it.
delete the item that you deselect from the pop-up.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me add another item. See, this item is added here. Clicking on save, it will add this item here. If I want to make any change in a either add a quantity or just need the unit price, if I am changing the markup and clicking on save, that
It will.
this
Okay.
item total is reflect, this one is also reflect, and this one
So
is also
the
reflect.
currently the one that you edited is basically the association of the item and the change order.
Yes, this is for
Okay.
if I am adding this item in this table, this is now directly contact with this change order,
Yeah. So we are
not
editing that
affecting.
property, not affecting the item directly.
Yes,
Got
not
it.
affecting the item directly.
Got it.
So if I am open this pop-up again, or I am I want to import the same item in another record, then
Right.
the price should be as same as the original one, not the modified one.
Got it. Got it. Got it. So you're modifying only on the association record, not on the original record.
Yes, yes.
Got it.
Okay. So clicking on save, it will save the record in a database. But we have the save button here, but in new UI we do away with the save button. So if whenever you import from cost item database, selecting any item and clicking on save, it will directly save in the database.
Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got
See,
it.
the drag and drop or arrange icon is also here.
Mm-hmm.
So you can rearrange the item
Right.
and this will save in a database, and next time you visit the module, it will
It'll be.
same it will the order is as same as you last rearrange
Got
it.
it. Got it. Got it.
Okay, so also we have the inline edit functionality. See,
Okay. Oh, that's nice.
so we need to give this same
T
functionality
in the new
in
UI.
a new UI.
Got it.
If I am selecting any text, then the tax amount I am able to see here. If I am unselecting any item, see the tax amount is also updated here, and also the
Ah.
spec is here.
Okay. Okay.
And
Okay.
if
Okay.
I am applied tax here as well, then the tax here applied
Right.
here and here as well.
Got it. Just a question, Jay. Like, what exactly is the framework that you're using in the old code
Sorry.
for the entire like reactive things? Like instantly it's updating, right? What is the framework that you're using already?
Right now we are using the jQuery, and all the
Okay.
calculation we do the manual
Okay. Okay.
and not
Okay. Okay.
using any library, because all of our logic is custom that
Right.
we write by ourselves.
Right. 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 I think with React it will be a lot more easier to do, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Got it. Got it. Got it.
So right now, if you selecting any item, this will save locally, and
Right.
clicking on save, it will
Got it.
save
Update the database.
all of the changes once in a database.
Got it. Got it.
Okay.
Got it.
So this part is clear.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. There is another option. If this change order, this change order having the
Mm-hmm.
approved estimate,
Okay.
then only it will you can able to the items that are already in approved estimate, you can able to import the same item in change order as well. See,
Okay.
if I am clicking on change import from estimate, see, 1 2 3 4 5, this 5 item belongs to this estimate,
Approved state.
one two
Okay.
three four five Okay, and if you want to add this any item, see, suppose I am selecting this 3 item, select all functionality is also there.
Okay. Okay.
So you know you need to manage this as well.
Yeah.
If
Will there be a pagination here?
no, right
Okay.
now we not have any pagination here.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
See, right now I need to import these 3 items. So
Mm-hmm.
clicking on save, it will directly save in database, and this will be in this. This will append in this same table.
Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it.
And if you want to update it here, then you can as per your choice.
Got it.
But the item type is not editable on those item which you import from cost item, import from estimate,
Mm-hmm.
import from change order request, template. It is only applied in add manual change order. But
Okay.
until this is not saved in our cost item database. If once this is saved in cost item database, the item type is also disabled. That will I explain you in the next.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so this both option is clear.
Yeah.
Import from cost item, import from estimate. Okay. Later one is import from change order request. The change order request, I explain you here that we have a two type of record: change order and change order request.
Right.
Okay, so change order request depend on it is the selection is depend on the project. See, I am created one change order with same project.
Okay.
Okay, change order request having the same project, subject, requested by, approved by,
Okay.
associated RFI. RFI, that means we have one menu: request for notice, a request for information, and
Okay.
notice. If this project having any RFI
Mm-hmm.
and this project selected in change order request, then you can able to see those RFI in this drop down.
Okay.
Okay, same concept. COR you can I think we not have any
Starting number
this
option for this.
yes,
Okay.
but
It's always manual.
if having any correction, I will explain you.
Sure, sure, sure.
Okay, so I think you able to clear with those
This
three also, because this is as same as
same
change
as
order.
say change order, right?
Yes,
Like yeah, got
yes.
it.
Okay, you can also able to import cost item database here
But it is
and
the
import
limited
item
options.
here. Yes, but it's the limited option.
Got it.
If you want to import from change order template,
Mm-hmm.
let me just give you the overview. If I am created this change order and if I want to
Ah,
mark it
got
as
it,
a
got it.
template, then
Like if
see.
you're doing every month, they
Yes,
can may change it as a template.
yes, yes.
Got it.
So if one of the change order and some of the details I want to use repeatedly, then
Hmm.
why I created it every time?
Right.
I mark it as a change or as a template, and later if I want to reuse it, just need to import from the change order template and make some correction, and it will save my lots of time and work.
Yeah, I have one doubt here. Like for
Yes.
example, assume that you have added this 12 12K 55, the last shooting forklift, right? It's in the item, and I also have a template with a different quantity of the same item. And then when I do an
Yes.
import from the template, what will happen?
Let me just show you. It will give you the option that if delete existing item from COR.
Ah, got it,
Okay,
got it,
so this one I am having this uh, right now I am having the three template.
got it, got
Okay,
it, got it.
and it will load the items. See, if I am checking this option and clicking on save, it will give me the alert that all of your existing
Then
item
will be removed.
delete and this
Okay,
one is
so
added.
it will remove everything and then add these three things.
Yes, yes,
Okay,
it
okay,
will remove everything
got
and
it.
there's three things. These three things added, and old one is already also clear.
Okay, so what if I don't check it and then there is a duplicate item in this change order template?
Yes, yes, it is create a duplicate entry for this
Okay,
same item.
okay, okay, got it, got it, got
Okay,
it.
so I hope you clear with this
This
change
is
order
fine. Yeah,
template.
yeah, that is clear, that is clear.
And did you clear with all of
Template
this
also,
option?
yeah, yeah, this is also
Yeah,
clear, this is also clear.
any of the template you selected
Yeah,
and the
but
item information you able to see it.
one thing is that these template data I'll be receiving, I'll be calling the API only when I open this pop-up, right?
Yes,
Those things.
yes.
Got it.
This data you will calling only. You need to call two APIs, or either you can manage it in one, but this will take a lot time and a lot data in Redux state management. So I
Yeah.
just suggest that you need to call two APIs.
Okay,
That
got it.
first, whenever you open
Select
this
the API.
pop-up,
Yeah.
first you get the list of the change order
Right,
templates,
right, right.
and clicking on any one, you call the one API that get the items for selected change order templates,
Got it.
and in a response you receive the items and you load the item in table here.
Got it, got it, got it.
Okay,
Yeah,
so I hope you clear with this one.
yeah, this is clear.
Okay, and this change order request template is so this one is for if you want to mark it this change order request as a template, then you can just check it and clicking on save. It will include this change order in a template list.
Right.
Okay, the text is the same one as I explained, that check, clicking on checks, it check,
Yeah, yeah,
uncheck.
those things are fine.
The edit option is same.
Right.
There is two interesting button here. Collect text that I explained.
Mm-hmm.
This one, save this item in my equipment list.
Okay.
My equipment list. It is based on the item that's selected here. And
Okay.
this one is this one. This is this is disabled because this item is already saved in cost item database. But if
Okay.
you add any manual item that yet not set in cost item
Okay.
database, then if you want to save this in a list, already predefined list, then you can do it from here.
Okay. Okay. Only for the new items that is created.
Yes, yes, yes.
Got it. Got it.
Okay.
Got it.
So in this change order, I have a two items added. Now I get back to the change order and clicking on the change order request, it will show me the list of change order requests that created here. If I am clicking on approve,
Okay. Only the approved list are shown there.
yes, yes.
Mm-hmm.
If I am clicking on approve, then after I went to this change order record, import from change order. See this
Mm-hmm.
this change order request AB 401 4051 AB 4051 is here. And
Okay.
clicking on that, it load the items that this change order request has.
So basically, you're creating a change order from a change order request. That's the logic here.
We just only import the items,
Yeah,
not
yeah.
any other detail from
So
here.
once the request is approved, you create a change
Yes,
order with the reference of that, but
yes,
only to import the items.
yes,
Got
yes.
it. Got it. Got it.
So clicking on that, it will do the same functionality that clicking on that import from estimate.
Got it. Got it.
It
Got
will
it.
import the item in a same table,
Got
and
it.
the total and text checkbox is also based on the setting here. If I am uncheck this checkbox,
Right.
I am uncheck this checkbox, and later if I am here, let me explain you.
So if you when you re-import it, it will not
Yes.
include the tax.
No. It will re-import it. See, right now, if
I think you need
this
to
is
go back to
approved.
approve. Yeah. Got it.
Yes,
Got it.
yes,
Got it.
yes,
Since it's already approved, you cannot change it now.
yes. Now I am edit this and just checkbox I unchecked,
Yeah.
and then after I mark it as a approved, and then clicking on save, and then I went to here, input from change order request. Here I'm clicking, and if the second item, there is one error here that it cannot allow me to uncheck the checkbox, but clicking on save, see,
Got it. Got it.
I am
Got
uncheck the text checkbox from there, and it will not import the text here.
it.
But
Got it.
if I want to
Check
apply
it
the
here.
text in a change order, then
That
I
you can do
can
it.
check it here.
Got it. Got it. So basically, it's more like a clone. You're cloning
Yeah,
it and then using it. It's not a
yeah,
reference. It's an entire clone.
yes, it's entire clone.
Got it.
Okay,
Yeah.
so I think this three option is clear: cost item database, estimate, change order. Import from change order, just that I just explained in change order
Template.
request.
Yeah. This is
Clicking
fine.
on
This is
that,
fine.
yeah, this is as same as old one.
Hold
Delete
on.
existing. See,
Got
if
it.
I
Got
am
it.
here
Got it.
and delete save, this will delete all the item.
Right.
Okay, and this is there are same option for mark it as a template, save change order as a template.
Right.
Okay, this checkbox is for no cost change order, means if you select it, then suppose change order I am including this in my contract amount for the selected project.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so if I am check this checkbox no cost change order, then the amount of this change order not include in the project's contract amount.
Okay. Okay. So contract
See,
is in another module.
yeah, see, the change order in project,
Project.
I am
Okay.
having
Okay.
the
Okay.
change order with text. So if I am clicking this change or this option, so this amount will not reflect here because I mark it as a no cost change order, means
Got
I
it.
do not want to include this cost in my contract amount.
Good.
This is the contract.
Got it. And
Okay.
what is the reason they do this? Like any business reason? For I'm just getting understanding this.
Sorry, can you repeat it,
Like
please?
at what scenarios usually they do it? Like on the business side, like in order to avoid the base cost going up or something like that, right?
Means some of the items that
Mm-hmm.
estimate already have, and estimate is already attached with this project, and also
Okay.
this item is connected. So for the double charges, I do not. I just
Got it.
want
Got
to.
it. Got it. Ignore that.
I just want to for my reference and do not want to include it for the
Got it.
double billing. That's why I mark it as a no
Got it.
cost.
Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it.
So this four option is here. Now the add manual change order item. If any of the item that currently are not under my predefined list, and
Mm-hmm.
this is totally new and one time use. So if I am creating this test one, I selected what type of item content material
Right.
labor, whatever I creating the subcontract. If another field I want to select, that clicking on assign to, it will open the same pop-up
Say pop up.
that I
Right.
previously
Contract pop up.
mentioned.
Yeah.
Yeah. If I am selecting anyone, it will reflect like this.
Right.
Enter the quantity, enter the price, enter the unit. mm, One, and I want to take a markup of 10% on this item. So basically, if uh, uh, let me just very simple, 10 on 10 it's equal to 100, and I want to take a profit on this item of 10%. So the amount of 10 on 10, 100 on a 10% is equal to 10.
Mm-hmm.
So
The
my
calculation.
profit equal to 10, and the total amount is quantity multiply unit cost plus markup is equal to
Got it.
110.
Got it. Got it.
There are two type of markup. One is percentage, and see, at the percentage amount that item should be markup.
Mm-hmm.
Dollar at the amount. There is two type of markup.
Yeah. One is percentage. One is direct amount.
Yeah, one is direct amount.
Got it.
If I am adding the percentage, then it will calculate on the quantity multiply unit cost, and then after on that total, I will count the markup based on percentage.
Percentage.
If I am selecting the dollar amount, then if I
It
am
just
decided that 10 on 10 equal to 100, but
plus.
I am I am statically enter that I fix the item of
Markup.
my item equal to 150. So the total is whatever, but the final price is whatever I added here.
Okay.
So the total is 150, and how much uh, profit I take on this item is also
50.
calculated here, that 50%.
Right.
Okay.
Got it.
So there is a two type of markup. So we saved with 10%. Cost code list, that you want to select it from here. Description, enter not. Collect text on this item. Text I already explained that,
Right.
checking
Right.
on that.
Right. Right.
And if you click on add manual item, this by default check that if this item you really want to add it in a predefined list, then clicking on that it will add it. But
Automatically.
if you uncheck it and then save and close,
This is
this
one
will
time.
not. Yes, this is one time item.
Got it.
And later you realize that this is the repeated item and I need to do this. Clicking on
Okay.
that, it will add the
Add them
same
together.
list.
Okay.
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 So this is the add manual change order item. This is the add discount. In some of the item that you want to apply any discount item.
Mm-hmm.
So if I am apply 100 discount, negative value will be automatically assigned to
Got
all
it.
discount. Okay. So if I am clicking on save and close, it create a discount item.
Okay.
See, in a
Okay.
minus, discount is always minus from the amount.
Right. 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 Right.
Yeah.
Right.
So this one is discount item and open in same manner.
Okay. Discount item is also one time, right?
Yes,
It's
this is
treated
also
as one
one
time.
time,
Got it.
and this is not saved in database.
Yeah. Yeah.
You can able to see it that this option it is not and it is not able. If you want to save it in other list, you can. Otherwise, not.
Okay. Got it.
And apply automatic bulk markup. So right now there is a material two items, equipment, equipment,
Right.
equipment, equipment, four item. If I want to
Okay.
apply the same markup in a four in all type of equipment item, then I need to go each and every four item and define a markup. But if I decided that I want to take markup on equipment item is 15%.
Right. So it will
And here
apply to everywhere, everything.
yes, and here the option is apply to all items where markup is not set. Means if
Mm.
markup you want to apply this markup on item in which markup is not set yet,
Mm-hmm.
so you can choose this option. If apply to all item where markup is set and greater than 0, means markup is already set and greater than 0, and you want to overwrite it with the value that you set here, then you can going to choose option for second.
Right.
And if apply to all item, whether any of the item having 0 or greater than 0, you want to apply on all the items the value that you set here, then you can check it here and clicking on apply,
Got it.
and then it will apply the markup 50% on the every item. See, 50 equipment
So
item.
it will update the value, right?
Yes, it is update the value 50
Okay, okay,
50%.
okay. So this action is not adding to the list, it is actually updating the list.
Yes, it is updating to the list.
List. Got it.
Got it.
Yeah,
Okay. So uh, this option is clear. I hope this option is clear.
that is clear. That is clear. Yeah.
Okay. So I think all of the option we covered
Yeah,
here.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. So and the attachment. I think this option. I think we not have any explanation for this
Yeah,
one.
yeah, it's just
All
an
of the
upload.
one is
Just a file
having
upload.
this type of, yes, file
Got it, got
upload.
it, got it, got it.
Upload. You
And what
can
is gallery
upload.
though?
Yes,
It's
this
already
one you can.
your own.
Yes,
Okay,
this one you can able to upload a new file from your computer.
okay,
Okay. The second option, gallery.
okay.
Gallery means we use the already same files that we have in our portal.
Mm-hmm.
If I am unselecting it, it will show me the all file from every of the module.
Right, right, right,
Sometime we have that in one module, one record, I attach one evidence, and this evidence same I need to in another modules another record.
right.
So at that time you can use the existing image that uploaded in our system, and you can attach it, and this will reflect here.
Got it.
And the third option is Google Drive. But in new UI, we introduce one more attachment option that is called Dropbox.
Mm-hmm.
See, you now for the attachment, now you use this same component. Clicking on
Okay,
that, it will open this sidebar. New
okay.
files,
Gallery.
gallery, Google Drive, Dropbox, and if someone having the URL, then just paste it here and clicking on save. It will
Download the file.
generate a file, upload the file from the URL.
Got it.
Okay, so you need to use
Same.
this same component.
Right, right, right. Got it.
Okay, so this is the option for attachment.
Yeah,
So I think this one is also clear.
yeah.
Now we are going to the three dot action. This one we have this option in drop down, view
Mm-hmm.
email PDF. On clicking on view email PDF, we have a template that redefine and customization.
Mm-hmm.
This list you already get with the APIs, customized one and original one. So you
Right.
do not need to do anything. Just call the API and
Okay.
load the data on a drop down.
Okay, okay.
And clicking on that, it will load the API. This component is already we used in a old
Okay,
ones
okay,
in a
okay.
bill. You just need to take a reference from there. See, clicking here, view click email PDF. This is already here. Select
Okay,
any template that you want, and it load the PDF in this pop-up.
okay. Got it.
Save, save one. Okay.
Yeah.
There is a two button here. Submit for approval
Mm-hmm.
means you prepare a change order, and if you want to you want approval from your customer. Customer means the customer that selected here.
Right.
Okay. So right now in this customer, I am having my email, this one. So I will receive the mail in my email.
Okay.
So for example, if I am selecting this, I am clicking on submit for approval.
You will receive an email.
It will, yes, it will first confirm the change order, and if you want to add any additional message that this is for test, and clicking on send,
Okay.
it will mail me, and on email I am going to approve the change order within the mail. See, I
Okay.
received this change order.
Okay.
This is for test. This is attachment change order. Review online to accept or
Mm-hmm.
decline. Clicking on that, it will open. But this is not in your part. You just need to call the API,
To send the email.
which is on. Click on submit for approval.
Okay.
Okay, so clicking on that, it will open like this. Customer first, this button is disable.
Mm-hmm.
After any customer review the full PDF, then after this button is enabled.
Okay. Okay.
Accept, clicking here to signature, and once it is accept, the status of this is going to unbilled approved.
Got it.
It is approved, but still it is unbilled.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this is the option. Second one is generate purchase order. Means if
Okay.
you want to create a purchase order with the same record, then clicking on that, it will create a purchase order. You just need to call one API on that,
Okay.
and all things handle on API.
Okay.
Okay, share internal link. Clicking on that, if any internal employee, for example, uh, two employees in the same company working on this same change order, and one of them said them, you need to make any change on a change order. So
Right.
they demand that please share me the link.
Right.
So so they not want to finding the record from the list. So clicking on that, copy, either you can share it with our internal checklist, or if you want to email it that this second person is working from the another place, so clicking on that, it will open the same pop-up
Right.
email wizard, and clicking on that, any of the multiple employee you can choose, clicking on next, it will send the email.
Got it.
This pop-up is already created in our directory design.
Right. So we just need
So
to
you
call that again.
yeah, you just need to call this. Okay. Second option is archive this option. This is I mentioned in a filter that we have three tab: active, all,
Right,
archive,
right,
and
right,
soft delete. Okay.
right.
And clicking on delete, we have a very different flow for delete. Every system having clicking on delete just confirmation yes or no, but we follow the different things.
Okay.
Clicking on that, first they read, and if you type delete,
Delete.
then only delete option
Got
is
it. Got
visible,
it.
and then after this record is going to
Got it.
delete. Okay.
Yeah.
So basically these are the wall change order modules that I explained you.
Okay. Got
And
it.
the option that you see here in a three dot,
Right.
you also able to see it here as well.
Okay. Directly
See
here.
this? Yes.
Got it. Got it.
So the same action perform in record is same action you can perform it from here as well.
All right. All right. All right. Got it.
Okay.
Got it.
So this is the change order module that you need to work on.
Perfect.
So let me know if you have any question.
All right. No worries. I think they perfect. I think. Thank you so much for the detailed explanation. I guess I have all the information now. I just need to go through, look into the recording again, and thanks for prompting me to record as well. I think this would definitely help, right? And so, would you be able to share the Figma for this, Jay?
Yeah, sure,
Yeah,
sure.
yeah,
I will share it with you, and first review the Figma, because some of the feature that totally different from the old UI.
yeah,
Because
yeah.
in a new Figma we do with the save button, so every field update on focus out.
Direct,
So
direct,
some
direct.
of the information you having, you made a decision, you need to make a decision on it, that how we going to perform this action that in old UI and new UI become the same.
Right, 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 right.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if you have any doubt in a Figma, then please note down all the points, and then after we take a meeting and clear all of your doubts point.
Sure thing, sure thing, sure thing. Yeah,
Okay.
that I'll do. Yeah,
Yeah, sure.
perfect.
I will share the Figma with you
Sure thing,
soon.
Jay. But once I'll start to look into this, and then I'll, if you have any doubts, I'll probably ping you in the chat, and also have a word with my team on this, and then see if there is any other points to be highlighted. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. No problem.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Jay, and I
Yeah,
look
thank
forward
you.
to the Figma file, and then we'll take it forward
Yeah,
from there.
yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
So bye bye.